Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you how to create an email funnel using the Mailchimp free 2026 beginner guide. The link to the Mailchimp will be in the description below. Let's dive into the video. Without wasting any time, to build a free funnel in 2026, you first need to create a lead magnet like a PDF or a checklist that gives the people a reason to join your list. In order to do so, go to the campaigns on the left hand side, and in the campaigns, create a landing pages basic landing page with sign up option like I have already done so. So here I'm just going to show you an example. Just a second till it loads up. So what you have to do is to inside the landing page editor, click on the audience and tag section to add a specific tag like new lead so that every person who signs up is automatically labeled for your funnel. So what you have to do is to find an audience button over here. So if you have already set up an audience, it will show over here, otherwise it won't. So all you have to do is to add a specific tag in it. Once the tag has been added, all you have to do is to go back to the dashboard. So it only comes with a paid plan, by the way. So now what you have to do is to, uh, once your page is published, go to the automation tab and look for the classic automation link. Since the newer generating builder often requires a paid plan for the multi-step flows, choose the welcome new subscriber recipe. Go to the automation option, go to the welcome new subscriber recipe. For example, it's a welcome new contact. Go for this recipe and set the trigger to send immediately after contact joins your audience with the specific tag you just created. Inside this automated emails, add a button or a key link that direct user to your lead magnet file, which you can upload directly to Mailchimp Content Studio. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.